have an unboxing. It's been a while. I had some other things I had to take care of financially. I didn't have the funds to get any shoes, but we got one in today. I got this on top because it's relative. This is the Oofos Sport Flex slide, or OOA Sport Flex slide. These are my favorite slides. They are more comfortable than the Yeezy slides, more comfortable than Crocs. Sorry, not in the shot. More comfortable than Yeezy slides, more comfortable than Crocs. They have a fantastic arch support to them. You can see in there to the point where it lifts the pressure off the heel and the ball of your foot because the arch is so high. It squishes down when you step in it, but it relieves the pressure on those 2 points, which makes it fantastic. This is what I wear when I get home from work after standing on my feet on concrete for 12 hours for my manufacturing job. These go on foot, but at the moment it is December, and it's nice to have a little more coverage on the toes during these colder months. So I've been wearing my overpuff clog, but these aren't as comfortable as these, but these are warmer, so I found a happy balance. And that's what's in the box. That is the, let's see if I can pronounce it correctly. It's the Oofos OOcoozie slipper. So it's like that slide I just showed you, but it has a like a puff top to it. You'll see in a moment. Now, I had ordered an Oofos clog about a month and a half ago, and I had to return it because the sizing was small. They ran small. The clogs, the Oofos clogs. I think I went with a 12 and it didn't fit. It was very snug. So I returned it, and I was gonna get a size up, but when I purchased it, it was on sale, and they were out of inventory for the actual size that I needed, so I just got a return. And I waited a little bit, and I ended up ordering a pair of these Oofos slippers from Common Running Company, I think is the name of it. And I did the same thing. I ordered them in a 12 because that's what I wear. And these slides, these sports slides, are actually an 11. They had told consumers to size down if you're on a half size for men, so I went down to an 11, and these fit fine. These fit perfectly. So I imagine that 12s in the clogs and in the slipper would be sufficient. Well, they were small in the clogs, and the slippers were small too. So I had to return the OOcoozie slippers once already to that Common Running Company. They gave me a refund, but it took them like a week to even respond to me. So I just ended up ordering these from the main Oofos website. They had them in a 12 and a half. So I ordered them, and here they are. I'm excited for these. I think it's like a moss colorway. I don't remember. Olive. I think they call it the olive colorway, but you can see it's kind of like a puff coat type quilted upper to it, and then it still has that same sole that the slides have. It has a really nice high arch in it. So the 12s that I had ordered, I decided that I liked them because I was able to actually wear them for a minute inside the apartment, and it has all the comfort of the slides, just with a little more warmth to them. So these are going to be my new go-tos after work when my feet hurt from standing on concrete all day and steel-toe boots. I need to get a different pair of boots. All the money and effort I put into my shoes and my slides, you think I would put a little more effort and money into my work boots, but I don't. I have a pair of Keen that are okay, they're sufficient, but they're not very comfortable. My feet hurt in them, so I plan on upgrading my work boots probably this month. So anyways, I digress. Back to the OOcoozie slipper. These are pretty nice. They're a little pricey. They were running a deal on the Oofos website. These normally run like $120 or something ridiculous. and I think they had like a 20% off. I ended up getting them for, I think it was like $95 after tax. It was around the same price that I had paid for the ones from the Commonwealth Running. I don't remember the name of it, but they had like a sale going on their website too, where it was only like $100. But then they kept some of my money to pay for the shipping, so I got like $94 back from them or something, which was how much this ended up costing me with the sale that they had going on the Oofos website. So I basically broke even and got the right size that I needed. So enough yapping. Let me throw them on foot and give my first impressions. Alright, step aside over Puff Clog. These are fantastic though. Not to knock them. Oofos are more comfortable. Oh, these are great. A little more toe room. On the 12s that I got before, my toes were pushing up against the top, so I got my half-inch of space that I need. Yeah, these are nice. Just a little more comfort and still the warmth that these provide. The one thing I learned about these, and I didn't really notice for a while, is that this is solid. This is solid foam. Sorry, I'm not in camera. How it fluffs up on these. It's not hollow. These are solid foam, which might be why they're so warm. Just that extra material on there with the fleece combined keeps them nice and warm. But these are a little nicer. These will breathe a little more. That's the only complaint with these, is they don't really breathe very well, but they're big enough on the roof of it with the fleece that they don't get sweaty. They're still able to breathe somewhat. But with this being the nylon material on the top, I won't have any issues with these being too sweaty or anything. And they fit pretty good. I like that arch support to them. I don't have really high arches, but it's enough to where it becomes an issue if the shoes don't have any arch support in them. I usually have to get some insoles or something for them. And just like I mentioned with the slides, those sport slides, how it has a high enough arch that it takes pressure off your heel and the ball of your foot. So after being on my feet all day long, it's really nice to be able to do that, just to have something on your foot that's a little more comfortable, to kind of relieve the pressure on the other parts of your foot. So, I don't know where the shot is. There it is. Oofos is the brand. I highly recommend them. Kind of a funny name, but they're very quality. They're not the sharpest looking. They kind of look a little plain. They look like a business shoe sole to them, but don't let that fool you. Whatever foam they use is extremely soft. And I could feel the soles on these is that same soft foam. It's that same nice arch support to it. Only now I've got a little more warmth to it. So these are going to be my go-tos after work. So pretty nice, pretty nice. I just wish they were a little cheaper. So get them while you can get them on sale, I guess. I don't know how long the Black Friday sale's going on with the Oofos website, but keep an eye out for coupons and stuff. You don't have to pay the full price, because $120 is a little much. It's a little much for for a slipper, if you ask me. I don't make a whole lot of money, so $120, that's more than I would like to pay for a pair of shoes or a pair of slippers. I can get it for a pair of shoes. You know, shoes tend to be a little more material. A little more goes into making a pair of shoes. But for a pair of slippers, that's a little much. Check out the sole. It's got that same like business shoe sole to it. Got that same sole as the slippers. So these are nice. Nice buy if you're looking for something warm for the winter and you need some comfort. Oh, that's what I was going to say. I came across the Oofos brand on YouTube, and the people that were talking about it were like marathon runners and stuff. They were promoting them over the Easy Slides. It was before I ended up buying the Easy Slide. Excuse me. Which I ended up getting the Salt. It was the cheapest one they had on StockX. And these came the exact same day the Oofos came. And I've probably worn these for over 100 hours now. I wear these a lot because they're the most comfortable slide I know. I've maybe worn these for a couple hours. So, I mean, I tried them out when they both came in. This is the superior slide. So, I mean, I get it. These are pretty trendy, but these are just more comfortable. I mean, if you're looking for pure comfort regarding the slides, I would go with the Oofos, especially the sports slide because it has the adjustable strap on the top. Now they've got a cheaper slide. I don't remember the name of it offhand, and it's just a fixed top to it, like the Easy Slides, but it doesn't fit very well. Was the impression I got, and a lot of them had like wrinkles and stuff in the top of it. So by getting the that's the only problem with this type of foam being so soft is I've seen their standard slides come like wrinkled, like there's a crease in it from being shipped. So by having the Velcro strap, it eliminates that top half of it not fitting properly because you can adjust it according to your foot. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I still plan on doing some croc art videos. Just haven't gotten to it yet. Those are coming up in the near future. So cheers.